Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make 32 by 32 pixel art. First, select a pixel art program that allows precise canvas control. Immediately set your canvas to 32 pixels wide and 32 pixels high. This small resolution is crucial for the distinct pixelated look. Start with a limited color palette, perhaps 4 to 8 colors, to maintain clarity and focus on form. This foundational step ensures your artwork has the right scale from the very beginning. Now, let's build the foundation of your art. Begin by sketching out basic geometric shapes like squares, circles, or triangles to form the main structure of your subject. Concentrate on creating a strong, recognizable silhouette. This is paramount for 32 by 32 pixel art, as intricate details will be lost. Resist the urge to add too much complexity early on. Simplicity and clear forms are your best friends at this tiny scale. With your basic shapes in place, it's time to add color and depth. First, fill your main forms with a solid base color from your chosen palette. Next, introduce a slightly lighter shade for highlights and a darker shade for shadows. This simple three-tone approach creates effective depth without overcomplicating the image. Remember to use anti-aliasing very sparingly, if at all, to maintain crisp pixel edges. Finally, let's refine your 32 by 32 pixel art. Carefully examine your piece for any stray pixels that might detract from the overall clarity. Now, add tiny, impactful details, like a single pixel for an eye or a small highlight, ensuring they enhance rather than clutter the image. Always zoom out to see how your art appears at its intended display size, often much larger, to ensure readability and impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.